Welcome to the video class. Last class we have discussed exercise 1.5, first main, second and third also I solved. Take the fourth one. Here they said just draw the number line, but here clearly number not given. Here square root of 9.3 represents square root of 9.3 on the number line. Just you have to draw the number line. Here make down here steps. Fourth one, square root of 9.3. First you should draw the diagram. I will explain diagram. See here, you have to draw the number line. The starting point will be 0 up to how much you should take. They said 9.3. Here take 1 unit, 3, 4, 5, 6 in your scale. You should take 1 unit. Means here see 9.3. 9 after here 3 points. Here up to 9.3 you should take. And for this you should keep A, and here for this up to B point it should be B. Okay. Next you have to draw here B to C. You have to take here 9.3 to 10.3. Means take up to, it's the point of C. In this means it is a 10, means is to you take 1 unit this. Okay, here draw one line. It is a midpoint. Draw one line, and you know already here 9.3 of or 10.3 of I am taking here 9.3. Yes, sir, it is a 9 point, only 9.3, not a square root of 9.3. That of means how much? 4.15 or 5.15. For 9 it is a 4.15. Here make it 1 point, and here do draw an arc for 1 unit. Up to 1 unit here is there to draw an arc. Draw neatly here to here. Neatly you should draw. Okay, just after here midpoint. Whatever is the, if I am keeping midpoint is O. Here to here draw the line. Now it is a right angle triangle. Okay, O, B for C, and it is the B point. Okay. Next, here C is there up to, and here to here also 1 unit. 1 unit you draw the cut the arc. Here how much will come? You have to cut the arc. It should be square, means if you are taking this one C means it will be E. Okay. Now I said it is a total how much? 9.3 up to here, and here to total 10.3 up to here T. Okay. Here this should be 1 unit. Okay. Here square root of 9.3 this. If the square root of 9.3 adding this you will get. Okay, just draw an arc this. Just draw whatever is there you have to draw. Next steps, write down steps 1. What is there? Step 1. What I did here? Draw the mark AB is equal to 9.3. Is there not? A to B it is a 9.3. Next, you take a unit, means in your scale you have to measure by unit. And BC here C, B to C how much? 1 unit. Okay, whatever I did that I am ready. Next, steps 2. The diagram what I did writing. Mark O. Mark O. The midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC. If I considered AC, means total 10.3, midpoint will be 5.5 you will get. Means here will be. If you are taking 9.3 is the midpoint, you will get 4. But here midpoint of AC taking, that's why you have to take 5.5. Means total you should take. Next, draw a semicircle. Steps 3. Draw a semicircle circle with O as center. With O as, see here O is center, is there or not? Okay, here semicircle, it is a half circle. Semicircle means half circle. Next, OA is the radius. Here see, it is OA is the radius. Okay, OA is radius. Next, step 4. At B, draw a perpendicular. Here, perpendicular I drawn B to D. You should write that. Draw at B. Draw perpendicular BD, perpendicular symbol B to D. Now step 5, B to D, it is the square root of 9.3 unit. Means total should be 9.3, square root of 9.3. It is a 10.3 you will get. Okay. Next. B as a center, step 6. Here say, in this BC and here OBC, B as the center, B as center, BD as radius, in that BD as radius. In exam you write all those, just you have to 4-5 points you should write. Radius, draw an arc. Draw an arc meeting the number line. Here see, draw an arc meeting the number line. It's a number line. Yes or no? Drawing the number line at E. If here E2 you have to take, means 1 unit you should take. Next, by Pythagoras theorem, by justification. Write down this all. If this much you wrote also okay. How it will be square root of 9.3? How coming? You have to justify your answer. Okay, justification. Justification, write down here by using Pythagoras theorem. What he says? It should be hypotenuse, it is the adjacent, and it is the side or base. Okay, bases equal, hypotenuse is square of adjacent and plus base, side of, it should be base, what we are calling base. Okay, by Pythagoras, what is there? Hypotenuse, OD square is equal to, what is there? BD square plus OB square. See, is there not? OD square is equal to BD square plus OB square. Okay, I need, what we have to find? Square root of 9.3. It should be square root of 9.3. You should find BD. Okay, this is not 9.3. You should find square root of 9. This will be same. What about hypotenuse and what about this? You have to take. Okay, BD square is equal to, I need BD. BD square is equal to OD square minus OB square. Here, see, OD will be 10.3. What about this? Okay, you have to take this 8.3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total. You have to take, this should be 8.3. Means BD square minus, OD square minus OB square. Write down. Next, BD is equal to square root of OD square minus OB square. What is there? BD as it is, write down. OD square means 10.3 by 2 whole square and minus 8 What is there next solve? It's only justification. Here say 2 is there, square root as it is write down. BD square root of, I am writing 10.3 minus 8.3 whole square divided by 4. Okay, it is in the form of a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square. Means I will write this 10.3 plus 8.3, 10.3 minus 8.3 whole divided by square root of 4 will be 2. Okay, next. Otherwise square root as it is write down square root. Why? Because total you have to do the calculation. 10.3 plus 8.3 how much? 18.6. 10.3 minus 8.3 it will be 2. How much? 2.3 and 2. Okay. 18.6 here 10.3 minus 8.3 will be 2 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 should be square root. Here say 18 into 2, 18.6 into 2. How much? 6 2s are 12, 6 8 2s are 16, 17. Means 1 digit or 2 digit. Means how much? 37.2. Square root of 37.2 divided by 4. If you are cancelling doing this, you will get 9.6. It is a justification. Sorry, 9. Do here division. 37.2 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12 means 9.3 here. See here square root of 9.3, square root of 9.3. It is the justification. Just you have to justify your answer. Just it is in this number line is very important. Drawing and steps is very important. No need to justification. If you want means you have to take. Okay. Next. Rationalize the denominator of the following. Just here rationalize the denominator. Here they are given 1 by 7. First one 1 by 7. Rationalize means here reciprocal you should take. First one 1 by root 7. Here multiply and divide by, I am taking here denominator see one. First you have to take only denominator, multiply and divide by whatever is there in denominator. Plus means minus take, minus means plus take. Here anything not have just is there means you take that only. Multiply and divide by 1 by multiply and divide 1 by root 7 by root 7. I said denominator only you have to see. Means 1 by root 7 into root 7 by root 7. You will get multiply root 7 by root 7 whole square. You will get square root and square cancel. Root 7 by 7 is the answer. It is only rationalize. Okay. This much root means enough. Now second one what is there? 1 by root 7 minus root 6. 1 by root 7. Second one root 7 minus root 6. Here also same. Multiply and divide. I said if the denominator minus 1 means you should take plus. Means root 7 plus minus root 6. You should take 1 by. You take, don't take 1 by. It should be root 7 plus root 6. Only you have to take the denominator. If multiply and divide 1 by root 7 minus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. Here just to change root 7 root 6. It should be same, you should write this. But here into root 7 plus root 6, root 7 plus root 6 you should write. Now multiply the numerator. What is there? Root 7 plus root 6 divided by, see here a minus b, a plus b formula. That's why root 7 whole square minus root 6 whole square. You will get square root square cancelled. Means root 7 plus root 6 divided by 7 minus 6 how much? 1. It is the value root 7 plus root 6. Here nothing is there, just if denominator minus means you take the numerator will be plus and denominator will be plus, same number you should take. Next third one thought also same. Here what is there, 1 by root 5 plus root 2. 1 by third one 1 by root 5 plus root 2 is there. Here multiply and divide same. Multiply and divide by 1 by root 5 plus root 2 by, I said take the root 5 minus root 2. You have to take 1 by root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 2. Both will be same you should take. Next we have to multiply. Root 5 minus root 2 whole divided by, it is in the form a plus b, a minus b means root 5 square minus root 2 square. Okay, remaining root 5 minus root 2, you know already square root square cancelled, you will get 5 minus 2 how much? 3. 3 is the answer. Rationalize of 1 by root 5 plus root 2. Like that only same. Fourth one 1 by root 7 minus root 2. You will get root 7 plus 2 divided by 3 is the answer. Take it homework and write in CW. Okay, I think all of you understood 4th and 5th main. 4th and no need, just draw the number line, steps right, enough. And 5th main, rationalize that number. You take denominator should be, if negative given is positive, positive and given is negative. Okay, thank you.